Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon.
And I'm Jordan.
Welcome to
White Sands National Park.
This park actually became a national park on December 20th, 2019. So we're here to check it out.
And go sledding.
If you're planning a trip here, make sure to check the hours. They change based on the seasons and the time of sunset. It does have set hours, not like other parks. You can also bring your animals here, which is great. If you have a furry friend or a hairless cat like I do. And also check the site because they do missile testing and the road closes when they're doing that. So you don't want to end up getting stuck at a locked gate.
We are Rhiannon and Jordan, two best friends that have been living and traveling the country in an RV over the past 11 months. We make videos of our explorations of national parks, kayaking adventures, and other awesome excursions in the U.S. Currently, due to the coronavirus, we have stopped traveling and are staying in place for at least the next month. In our last video, we explored the magnificent Carlsbad Caverns National Park. We then drove 3 hours to White Sands National Park. Check out a couple sleds from you.
You do?
Okay. Yes, please.
Are you sure you really want to go down this?
We are.
We sure are.
Positive?
Yes.
For sure? Okay.
Super fast.
Let's
go.
Good, how are you? Where are we going?
We're going sledding.
Going sledding in the White Sands National Park.
Largest gypsum dune field in the world.
The drivable portion of the park is only 8 miles, but we're surrounded by 264 square miles of dunes. You like it? What you doing?
Apparently the wax makes you go faster. So we're gonna see if that's true. I don't feel like it's even really going on there.
Let's look at this from here.
Thank you. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Don't put your feet down. And lean back.
Ready?
Oh, we did it. It got my mouth. Yay.
Right, we opted for the smaller side of the dune face.
Give us a little victory dance.
Coming back up though, it's no joke.
It's hard work, y'all.
Whew. We're gonna go again.
Wait. Oh God.
So So we just got up this morning, returned our sleds back to the KOA. Great experience because the sleds were free. I kind of would have been disappointed if we had paid
Yes.
any money for them.
It's more geared towards children, for sure. I think we're a little too heavy for that to glide down.
At White Sands is such a small park. I think 1 day, 2 days is more than enough to see the park. Until next time, stay curious. Cheers.
Balance yourself out.
Oh, I just got sand all in my back. I can't lean back with this back.
Oh, keep going. I can't.